Hello guys. Welcome to my channel, and today we are going to solve the merge sort with program. As in the previous video we have saw that the pseudocode and the structure and flow of that, how to perform that operations. So today we are going to learn uh, with an example of code to how to write that code. And let's begin, let's start, follow us now, and let's see how's the chat saying. What's the chat saying, bro? Let's see. Chats. Just a minute. So we are live, and so let's begin. Today we will solve, if we don't know, we are going to solve that from different sources, and I'm also learning with you. So let's begin, let's do that. uh, just 1 minute. Okay. So the problem is merge. हमको करना क्या है? What we have to do is to merge two sub arrays of uh, array, and first sub array is array left mid, second sub array is array mid plus वन. मतलब ऐड करना है, तो ये तो मतलब void merge करना है, जो कि हम और वेक्टर लेते हैं array. In a place of array we take the vector, so int वो ले लेंगे हम data type, और array int left, and this is going to be very just very typical in a way. So how to solve this problem is to, let's see, इसमें it's giving that int n1 is equals to mid minus left plus 1. ओके. सो गाइज, हम लोग सिर्फ सॉल्व नहीं करेंगे क्वेश्चंस को, अलग अलग जो टेक कंपनीज में जॉब करते हैं, जो मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं, उनको भी हम ऑन बोर्ड करेंगे अपने चैनल पे, स्ट्रीम्स पे. सो दैट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी फन. उनके साथ कुछ माइंड गेम्स भी खेलेंगे, और अदर स्ट्रैटेजीज, और अपना रेफरेंस भी मेरे को भेज देना. आई विल डू दैट. सो मिड माइनस लेफ्ट प्लस वन. सो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी डू दैट, द थिंग इज, हमको मिड को माइनस करना है लेफ्ट प्लस वन से, और दो वेरिएबल्स जो हमने ले लिए n1 एंड n2, राइट को माइनस करना है मिड के साथ, जो कि लेफ्ट में जो एडेड है. सो टेम्प एक वेक्टर हम क्रिएट करेंगे जिसमें इंट डिफाइन होगा, l जो है वो n1 और r n2. वो डेटा कॉपी करना है टेम्प वेक्टर से. सो इसमें दो लूप क्यों है? अच्छा, ओके. भाई ये कोड तो इट्स गोइंग वेरी ह्यूज कोड इट इज. Why it's require such huge code? भैंस की टांग. Let's see what's the question. मर्ज सॉर्ट ही करना है ना, इतना क्यों दे दिया भाई इसने. लेट्स सी वन. चैट जीपीटी को पहले हम ये सवाल देंगे. जीएफजी एक्सप्लेनेशन तो सही कर रहा है, बट द थिंग इज इट्स नॉट प्रोवाइडिंग optimal. They are providing optimal solution, but such a long or not understandable. So we will do merge sort program for C++ करेंगे. लाइक करिए ब्रो और शेयर करिए, क्योंकि गेम्स देखने से बेटर है कि यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग्स. लाइव स्ट्रीम्स पे पीपल्स आर वाचिंग द लाइव स्ट्रीम्स ऑफ गेम्स एंड irrelevant games, cheap games they are watching, like students. But it is productive if you give time here. You will get to know the things and explore new things with me, and we are going to solve the problems. Logical thinking will build, and will do much better, obviously. But because just by seeing the tutorials we are not going to uh, solve the problems individually by our own. That is the thing that it's actually affecting. So the main thing is we need to solve the problems by ourselves. If we won't solve that, we are going to be in trouble, and we are not going to learn anything by us. Just we will watch the videos, and we'll acquire the knowledge like we have done in the graduations, but not skills. So let's explore, let's do the problems with ourselves. Come with me, we will do the best. Okay. Why it's taking much time, bro? My internet is 5G, but why is it working? भाई चैट जीपीटी का भी सर्वर डाउन है क्या? हाँ, गेम की. सो की पॉइंट्स क्या? यूज डिवाइड एंड कॉन्कर अप्रोच. ये भी ये कह रहा है टाइम टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी इसकी क्या होगी. एन लॉग एन स्टेबल सॉर्टिंग एल्गोरिदम है. इफ यू वांट आई कैन ऑल्सो गिव यू. अच्छा. Has a simple merge sort program in C++ with clear structure and comments. Function to merge two halves. Void uh, void merge int array, and int left, int mid, int right. So here ChatGPT had defined three variables, uh, and int n1 is equals to mid minus left plus 1. um, let's supposed to be do that thing. So what is saying that int I is equals to 0. Okay, so it's the merging temper is no function to merge. अरे बैगन इन लेफ्ट मिड. तो ये पहले माइनस क्यों कर रहा है? मिड माइनस लेफ्ट प्लस 1. ओके. राइट माइनस मिड. व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन ब्रो, व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन? अरे ओके. What happening to my internet? I don't know. भाई ऑप्टिमल अप्रोच बता भाई. आई वांट एन ऑप्टिमल अप्रोच. क्योंकि because we have to give the clear explanation from brute force to optimal to the interviewers. So we require the brute force also to optimal approach. it's important, and the main thing is we have to explain our code. We have to communicate. If you do the right code but you do not communicate, you are going to be rejected for sure. So if your answer is little bit here and there, and it may be wrong, so but you explain well, uh, you that defines that you understand the concepts, so you will, for sure you will get the job. Okay, so it's very important as a fresher to communicate, uh, to explain our projects and all those things. इसको ऐसे डालेंगे ब्रो. It is frequently used in LeetCode problems like sorting an array, counting inversion, reverse pairs, smaller count smaller numbers after basic idea, divide and conquer. Divide the array into two halves recursively, sort each half, merge the sorted halves. अच्छा visualization. अच्छा पहले इसको स्प्लिट करना है, ये फिर दो को स्प्लिट करना है, फिर तीन को स्प्लिट करना है, फिर सब फाइनल मर्ज, सॉर्ट एंड मर्ज. पहले ऑप्टिमल मर्ज सॉर्ट कोड देखना है. ओके, वेक्टर लेफ्ट इक्वल्स टू लो. तो फर्स्ट तो ये है ऑप्टिमल मर्ज सॉर्ट कोड लीड को स्टाइल. बेसिक आइडिया तो ये है. थर्ड ये वाला है. इसकी टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी एनालिसिस करने के बाद एट ईच लेवल मर्ज ऑल एलिमेंट्स बिग ऑफ एन नंबर ऑफ लेवल्स लॉग टू एन टोटल बिग ऑफ एन लॉग एन. ब्रूट फोर्स में टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी क्या है? बिग ऑफ एन स्क्वायर बबल सॉर्ट के लिए लगता है. स्पेस कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी बिग ऑफ वन. सिलेक्शन सॉर्ट में बिग ऑफ एन स्क्वायर. I was live, but the internet is not properly working, I think. What's happening there? Merge sort is the foundation of many advanced problems. Count inversion, reverse pairs, count smaller after self, sort linked list. Common interview question: why mid is equals to low plus high minus low divided by 2? Avoids integer overflow. Why we use extra array? To merge the two sorted halves efficiently. Is merge sort stable? Yes. Is merge sort in place? No, it's require big of an extra space. Pattern to remember. If low greater than equals to high, return. Mid equals to low plus high divided by 2. Merge sort left, right, merge. Related LeetCode problems: sort an array, reverse pairs, count of smaller number after self. Mathematical views. Let's do, bro, let's do. Memory trick: split until one element remains, then merge while sorting. Guys, this is going to be very in trouble. I think my internet is not working properly. What have done, I should contact to my internet provider. So we will do the stream properly and full on one topic, and not in splitting way. We will do the topic in exact way, that like if we are doing for merge sort, we will do the explanation, orientation, like the flow of that code and the logic behind that, and we will learn the approaches and from the different platforms as well, like for brute force, optimal, and we will code for that, and we will do the different codes for that, and we will try the best optimal and research the more optimal searches and different ways to solve that problem. So this is going to be very in trouble, I think, uh, due to the internet. So I'll check it out, and we will back, and we'll do a big and long duration, and we'll do the long duration stream as well, to cover one topic with all possibilities and all the options and all the by containing that patterns, all the things we will do. And it will be nice for us that accumulately simultaneously we will do the all topics like related to uh, sorting and searching. Like we will do particularly big analysis topic to perform that, all possibilities, all engineering to solve that problem. So please like, share, and subscribe. We will I'll be again come, and will definitely solve that questions with a more effectively and more seamless without any problems. So thank you for watching, and I'll be back in next day. So thank you all. Mm. If anyone have any questions, they can ask in chats. So we will back with new peoples. We will bring the peoples of big tech companies, like the influencer they are doing Instagram reels. So we will bring them here to communicate with you, and to guide us, guide all us. I'm also studying, I'm also doing the in my masters, because it's crucial for me to do the DSA, to learn DSA. I'm also learning, I'm also beginner. So we will learn, but I know the roadmap. I actually that is very helpful for me, and I've learned this thing, and it takes a lot of time for me to understand the roadmap, because for a guaranteed job placement, I got that roadmap for a guaranteed placement, I'm telling you. Because it includes, for fresher, I'm telling, for fresher it is important DSA, system design, as a as I've learned from the influencer, I've talked to them, they have said that not just influencer, they are working in MNC companies in Hyderabad, in Microsoft. One is from Microsoft, to whom I am talking, and second one is in Google, really, in Google. So she explained me everything, like system designs, what the things she have done to their uh, improve their placements, opportunities, and they most of them they have many of them have become senior developers as well. So the thing is to get entry in the big tech companies is, all the thing is required is DSA and system design, and continuously practicing data structures and algorithm, and communication skills is the must, as you all know. So these things are very crucially important. That is not much hard, but if we get to know, if we do it interestly, if we involve in this, we will learn everything, and we can express ourselves to the interviewer. We don't require to buzzwords and to make the stories and all that. By just explaining, we can tell our problem solving skills. When we learn, uh, when we learn genuinely, not just by watching the tutorials. So I'm suggesting you that, I'm recommending you that, please follow uh, what I am doing in the screen, what I am doing in the stream. So please follow that on your screen. Okay. So if you have mobile, you watch that in the mobile. And what I am doing, like say I'm going to the Geeks for Geeks. First we are taking the question from LeetCode, top tech companies LeetCode questions, and we are going to Geek for Geeks for finding the answer and sliding that and understanding all those concept. And we will use Claude also. Next we will use chat gpt, and for a small project on that data structure particularly. So that's going to be very amazing and engaging and learning perspective things. So no one is doing that, so uh, I've thought that we should do that. So I've thought that it's going to be unique thing to understand the uh, problems and to solve them with a many